Tips to help you fight arthritis symptoms. How would you like to read some great tips about arthritis? Most likely, if you are interested in this, then you are currently suffering from it, or know somebody who is. Use this video to discover some of the best tips and tricks available for dealing with arthritis. You should take up yoga or meditate if you have chronic arthritis. It is a proven fact that these techniques help to relax your body, which also reduces the symptoms of arthritis. Doing yoga or meditating 3 to 4 days a week will have the best effect. Arthritis can sometimes cause rashes on the arthritic areas on your body or on your face. If this is the case, you can buy cover-up and other makeup to hide these rashes. Many arthritis sufferers think that they should stay away from makeup, which is not true. Relaxing music can soothe some arthritis symptoms. This music helps ease your pains and aches and relaxes your arthritic body. Not to mention, it's great for helping you roll into some sleep when arthritis is keeping you up through the night hours. Arthritis sufferers can benefit from taking fish oil. Report after report indicates that fish oil reduces arthritis pain and joint inflammation, thanks to the fatty acids, omega-3s, it contains. Supplements containing fish oil are sometimes found in supermarkets, in addition to vitamin and nutrition centers. Consult a health professional as soon as you can to develop the best treatment plan. You can minimize the harm that arthritis does to your joints if you get a jump on treatment. Take action immediately when you first receive the diagnosis. Talk to your doctor and get your treatment started. In conclusion, you want to find out some great advice regarding arthritis, and ideally, you found helpful information in this video. Use this information today to start living better, despite the painful nature of this condition. Your overall well-being is dependent on living as free of pain as possible. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.